Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. For this video, I'm going to be sharing some products I received from SheaMoisture. They just recently came in the mail, and this is my goodie box. I did open it, but I haven't went through the products yet, so that's why this is ripped off. But it says Hello Beautiful, and it's full with goodies. So this is actually my second box that I received from SheaMoisture. If you follow me on Instagram, I did announce that I was selected to be a SheaMoisture for the 2018 SheaMoisture program. And you guys, I cannot express to you guys my excitement when I got that email. I had actually submitted the last 2 years to be a SheaMoisture, and this year I was finally selected, and I was just so excited. I started using SheaMoisture products about 5 years ago. They were like the first products I used when I went natural for my hair. But literally now I use the makeup, I use the body products, from the body oils, the scrubs, the lotions, the soaps, their hair products, their deep treatments. Like literally I'm just all about SheaMoisture. So yeah, let's see what's on the inside. Alright, so we have the Hydrate Repair Shampoo, the Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. This is the Protein Power Treatment, so this is the deep treatment. This is, oh, this packaging is really cute. This is the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. What is this? Oh, is this a detangler? Oh, this is so cute. It says SheaMoisture, and it has a place where you can put your fingers to grip it in the shower. Oh, and I have a t-shirt. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, hold on. I'm going to hold this up so you guys can see it. So this is the t-shirt. This is so cute. It's a navy blue color with white writing, and it says SheaMoisture, SheaMoisture, which I am. And then the back it has the hashtag SheaMoisture class of 2018. This is so cute. Oh, and then there's something else at the bottom. This is... oh, this is some more of the treatment. So maybe I'll give this to someone to try. This seems like a good amount. 2 ounces. Yeah, this seems like it could be like for 2 treatments. Oh, that's so cool. This is the Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. So the first one, and let me just say this, I love, if you buy SheaMoisture products, you know the previous packaging they have. Well, they still sell them in the other packaging, but it's the one with the pumps, or the, not the pour out, but it has the pop-up top. But this is so convenient because it's just a squeeze out bottle. Like when I saw they were changing some of their product lines to this packaging, I was like, yes. And this is actually my first SheaMoisture product in this new packaging, so I'm super excited. I love the way it looks, and I absolutely love the color choices that they pick for this line. I think it is so cute. The sky blue and the white, I think it's a nice clean look, and then they have the bronze color top, so I thought that was super cute. But this is, as I said, the shampoo. So this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. And this product claims to cleanse and restore extremely dry, brittle hair. It repairs by reducing breakage on heat-styled hair up to 76% when used with our Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. So of course I will be using it with the conditioner. This sulfate-free shampoo works alone to gently cleanse hair and strengthen strands from root to tip when used with our conditioner. So it's emphasizing if you're going to use the shampoo to use with their matching conditioner. Blended with certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt, and an enriching formula that replenishes the moisture to dry, brittle strands while promoting a healthy shine. It leaves hair feeling more resilient. This has been tested on non-chemically treated hair. So I am a blondie, so I am chemically treated. So I'll see how it works for my hair. Okay, so some of the ingredients that are in these products is, of course, the Manuka honey. And it says this formula with Manuka honey helps provide moisture and a boost shine. Also, yogurt extract. It says this formula with yogurt extract adds nourishing moisture to your hair. The Manuka oil. It says this damage control formula with natural Manuka oil softens and promotes healthy looking hair. So these are things that, of course, everyone could benefit from. This is the conditioner. So the conditioner, it has the same ingredients as the shampoo. Soften, detangle, and infuse abused hair with intensive moisture with this nutrient-rich rinse-out conditioner. Formulated with certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt in an ultra-hydrating conditioner. It smooths rough, dry cuticles, spikes split ends, and restores vitality to dull, lackluster hair. And wait till you guys see my hair when I take it down, because I need all of this. The Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. It strengthens and protects extremely dry, brittle hair. It has the certified organic shea butter and ultra moisturizing Manuka honey and yogurt blend in a deep conditioning formula that fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. Leaves hair soft, supple, and irresistibly touchable. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. May also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment. You know what, guys? I may use it as a pre-wash intensive treatment. As you see, I'm rocking my SheaMoisture headband. You guys, my hair is a hot mess right now. So everything these products say they're supposed to do, my hair needs it. Like, my hair needs to be restored, repaired, brought back to life, all of that. Take down my ponytail just to show you guys the state of my hair before I start these products. Oh, look at this. It's just like crying right now for help. It is crying for help. Let me get closer so you guys can really see how much of a hot mess my hair is right now. Like, my hair is so dry right now. It's like the Sahara Desert. Alright guys, so I am back. I just finished rinsing my hair out and it's like 5 hours later. And y'all know wash day can take all day, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I did, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I felt about my results. So right now I don't have any product on my hair. So this is how my hair looks rinsed out after using the... So I'm gonna tell you guys what I did and how I feel about my results. So I used the protein power treatment as a pre-wash treatment. So I applied that first. And while I'm talking to you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my leave-in before my hair dries too much. But yeah, so I used the protein power treatment as a pre-wash treatment. And the reason why I chose to do it like that is because how my hair was before. Like, you guys saw how tangled my hair was. So I used that first. And I will say that I like really like that product. The slip is like crazy. The slip was amazing. So I was able to get through all my tangles. I really enjoyed it. And I do feel like my curls are popping a little bit more. So I know protein, when you do protein treatments, they can definitely revive and bring your hair back to life. So I feel like it did its job. So I did like that product. Now I will say, once I rinsed it out, my hair did not feel super soft, but to me, that's kind of like a give or take. Like I feel like when you use more protein-based treatments, they don't always leave your hair super moisturized, but this line does say so. It's a hydrate and repair, but I didn't feel like my hair was super soft or moisturized after I rinsed it out. So, but I still feel like it was a great treatment. So I'm definitely going to keep using it, and I did like the product. But next product I used was the shampoo, and I really actually like the shampoo. The shampoo is super creamy. The lather of the shampoo is like great. So the lather is good. It's very creamy. It didn't feel like it stripped my hair. I did like the shampoo. Now the conditioner really disappointed me. It didn't have good slip. After I rinsed the shampoo out and I applied the conditioner, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I detangled my hair prior to this step, because the conditioner for me, it didn't have any slip. Like, it didn't have any slip for me. It didn't feel good going on my hair. Like, it didn't feel moisturizing. Now, I will say my hair does feel soft now. Just rinsed it out. So, I mean, it's an okay product, but for my hair, it didn't give me like amazing results, and I didn't enjoy it when I was like applying it. It felt like I wasn't able to like work the product through my hair, so the slip wasn't good. But I may still use it again, give it another try. I'm about to use the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on product-free hair. I'm just gonna shake it. And this just says, generously spray product all over clean, damp hair and comb through. Do not rinse. And then style as usual. So product box, it didn't come with styling products, just the leave-in, and then I will be using the balm treatment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this out. So far, I'm 2 for 3. Like, I like 2 out of the 3 products that I've tried so far. Oh, the spray bottle is good. I'm always like impressed when I get a spray product that sprays out a good amount of product. And this, oh my gosh, this is pretty awesome, because I'm getting a lot of product with those sprays. And I actually went to go get my nails done while the conditioner was sitting, because I wanted to let the conditioner sit to add like some possible moisture, because I was like, I didn't feel like the protein treatment left my hair with a lot of moisture. So I let the conditioner sit. I went to the nail shop, I ran some errands, and then I came back a few hours later and rinsed it out. Okay, this leave-in, it does have good slip. So this may be a really good pre-style, really good base. And then also I feel like you have to keep in mind too that everyone's hair is different. So that's why I don't like when people like bash products. Now some products, there are some products that are the exception. They're just not good. But a lot of the times, you know, especially with SheaMoisture, like SheaMoisture has so many different lines, and it's to cater to different hair types. So whenever like a product doesn't necessarily work for you, it doesn't mean it's not a good product. It just, your hair didn't like it. So it's not a huge deal. I just don't really think the conditioner was for me. But I'm liking the other products. I'm still going to style my hair, because like I said, it didn't come with styling products. Like, you know, your creams and your gels and stuff like that. Like stuff like this is a good base for me. But this is not enough for me just to leave my hair just like this. But I do like this, I do think I like this product. And if you guys can see, like the it's really milky. So it's like a milky, my camera doesn't want to focus, so you probably can't tell, but it's like a really milky consistency. So it doesn't look like you're spraying water in your hair. Like, it does look like you're spraying product. So this next product, and I'm actually curious to see what this product does. So this is the Seal and Shine, no, I take that back, that's not the name. This is the Hydrate and Repair Split-In Balm for extremely dry, brittle hair. I don't even know if this is the next step that I should use. How do I get this out of here? It says this is the gold standard. Instantly seal and reduce the appearance of split ends and reduce breakage from heat styling up to 89% for a fresh cut look. certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt blend in a humidity blocking balm that holds rebellious ends together for a frizz-free, silky smooth finish. Keeps your hair looking flawlessly healthy. So you're applying to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends and style as usual. I'm not gonna lie, I never thought of using a product like this. I mean, I guess sometimes I look at my ends and they're like frizzy. Like, let me see how my ends look now. I mean, yeah, I do have some frizz. So I guess, I don't know if it's supposed to be like in between time, like when you need a trim. I probably do need a trim. Okay. Okay, so this is like super thick. Consistency is a little different. I don't know about this. I don't know. If you guys have used this product already, comment below and give me some insight on how you felt about this product. I don't think I'm gonna do this all over. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because I don't see the point. I'm not running through my whole like hair. I'm like starting like right here. I know I'm just supposed to be down here. Maybe I'll be able to see the difference when my hair dries. So yeah, I'm really interested to hear about you guys' experience with these products. I feel like this is definitely a product that I would use as a pre-styler before I apply like my leave-in. Like after I use it a few more times, I'll be able to tell like how my hair really likes it. But it does seem like it's, you know, I'm able to work the product through my hair, which is good. So it does have good slip. And this split-in balm, I feel like I would skip this. Maybe if my hair was straight, it'll be more helpful to like keeping my ends looking nice and neat. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this first impressions with the new SheaMoisture Manuka honey and yogurt line. Definitely pick up these products if you have not already, and if you have tried them already, comment below, guys, and let me know your experience and your thoughts on this product line. All right, guys, so until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.